6 of Vlogmas, and strap yourselves in because this is probably going to be one of the worst cooking vlogs. It's not even cooking, baking vlogs you've ever seen. But it is such a good recipe. I'm going to share with you my overnight oats. It's chocolate and coconut overnight oats recipe. I'm really excited to show it to you because I love it, and it's one of those things that you can still make when you're like a digital nomad or abroad or going on holiday, anything like that, because you can get all of these ingredients, hopefully, wherever you go. I've managed to find them in Costa Rica, so that's promising that you should be able to find them too wherever you are going to be visiting. So I'll go through the ingredients first. Strap yourselves in, it's going to be a good one. The first ingredients are Greek yogurt. I am slightly lactose intolerant. I mean, I can eat ice cream, which is why it's slightly, but I managed to find lactose-free Greek yogurt. If you're in a Spanish-speaking country, it's sin lactosa for any of you that are attempting to find in the supermarket like me. Then we've got rolled oats. Again, managed to find these. These are gluten-free as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, some rolled oats. Then, oh crap, where is it? Where's my coconut milk? Okay, coconut milk. Another key ingredient. I've managed to find this just in a normal supermarket, and it's pretty cheap as well, so coconut milk. Then we have these chia seeds. Then we've also got coconut. This is just like desiccated coconut, but you could use chopped coconut or whatever, just coconut. Cacao powder, which is especially good in Costa Rica. Also, you can use like honey or maple syrup. I've got honey because it was easier to find. I don't really like maple syrup that much. I have also used agave in the past, which I actually prefer, but it's really hard to find over here. So we've got honey and vanilla extract as well. That's usually just in the baking section. Let me show you that. Is it focusing? No, it's focused on my face. You can kind of see it. Oh, fuck it. Right, that vanilla extract. So lastly, just a little bit of salt, which I've got over here. Hit. That's all your ingredients. Jamie's making tea in the background on the hob. This is probably the easiest recipe you will ever make in your entire life. There's one step. Mix in all the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to share the measurements with you as well. I'm estimating because I don't actually have cups. So we're going to use a glass. Okay, so the recipe has different measurements to the one I'm going to use because I want to use a whole... Oh! The recipe uses different measurements because I want to use a whole tin of this coconut milk. I don't want to waste any of it. So I'm going to guess, but I'm going to read you the actual measurements as well. So it says to use 2/3 of a cup of full fat coconut milk. I'm going to use the whole cup and I'm just going to guess the rest of the measurements. So there's that. Then we've got 1/2 cup of rolled oats. This is a real estimate actually because I should have measured that coconut milk into a glass, well, into a cup, but I don't have a cup. This is not going to go well, I don't think. I think you do a much better job at home because you probably have cups. We'll try it. No, that looks like, oh fuck it. Okay, some oats. Then it is Greek yogurt. So 1/3 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're good, we're good. Okay. Oh god. Oh no, it smells funny. You're gonna try it?
I'm gonna have to. I'm a guinea pig.
Ooh.
Well, I hope it tastes better than it sounds.
Oh no!
Good God.
What? No, I don't think. Surely that's not right. No, it looks like cottage cheese. I think. I've never had cottage cheese, but I imagine that's what it looks like. Right, yogurt round 2. Okay, this one's January. I read that in Spanish. Low-key flex.
That's what yogurt should look like.
Okay, if your yogurt looks like this, don't use it. That is a sign your yogurt is off. As we were, let's go. The official recipe is 1/3 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. But apparently Jamie wants me to do 1 1/6 of a glass. Okay. Oh no, it's not coming out. This is quickly turning into some really disgusting ASMR vlog. Thought this would pour. I was mistaken. It gets better, I promise. Trust the process.
Look at this. Oh, that's done it.
Trust the process, okay, guys? Right, next is chia seeds. It's a tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm just gonna kind of guesstimate what that would be. So...
It's a tablespoon. You literally have a tablespoon.
like that, maybe?
Yeah.
So that will do. And then you want half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I always put more in because I prefer it a little bit sweeter. So to be honest, just go a bit mental with this. Oh, shh.
Oh my god.
Okay, no, that's...
Why would you have more?
That's fine. And then, what comes next? Salt. So it says a pinch of...
the same with that.
It says a pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm gonna guess that. That's a bit more than a pinch, but... Okay, actually that was quite a lot. Oh well. A pinch of salt for you guys. Yours will probably taste a lot better than mine is going to. Okay, then honey. So it says 0 to 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna guess again, but you probably follow this. I like it a bit sweeter, and also I usually add in like a little bit more if it doesn't taste that great afterwards. So we'll just guess that. Cocoa powder. We've got this like little packet. It says 2 tablespoons.
All of it.
Oh god, that feels horrible.
Does it?
I apologise in advance for the sounds. Okay, so just keep mixing. It will eventually, hopefully, unless you've really put the wrong amount of ingredients in, turn into something that smells beautiful because of the cocoa powder and the vanilla extract. This is such a nice, like, Christmassy breakfast as well. It works if you're in hot or cold countries because you can have like fruit and stuff to make it a bit more kind of tropical, or if you're in a hot country you can warm it up as well. It's quite like hearty and filling, so it's one of those breakfasts that is quite nice when it's cold or hot, which is cool. So you should end up with something that looks a bit like this. You'll notice that it's still quite runny. What we're gonna do now is put it in the fridge, and it will kind of just, the oats will like soak up all the different flavors and like the yogurt and the vanilla extract and all of that. And then in the morning, we will be left with something beautiful, or some slodge that didn't go well. But yours, if you follow the actual recipe, will look much better. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description so you can actually follow it and not end up doing what I did, which is using the best tools at your disposal. But yeah, so check back in tomorrow morning and I will show you exactly what that looks like in Vlogmas Day 6.